Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon, and I've got in front of me this Yucon camper van, which is the Yucon 63G. It's a camper van on a Fiat Ducato. It's made by Pilote, although it uses the Frankia brand because Frankia is a very upmarket brand as far as the motorhome liners are concerned. I think as far as these things are concerned, as a rebranded Pilote, it's just an expensive way of having a Pilote motorhome, or for that matter even a Joie motorhome. This van itself, let's come to the very back. So what we've got here is a two-person, if you like, van. So for people who are a bit taller, we've got steps up to the bed. Notice the way that the mattresses are, and they will come out, and the benefit of them coming out is it means it gives you more storage possibilities, although that's probably best seen from the rear. You've got storage all the way around, and no storage at the back. Windows both sides, and no windows though in the doors. Up here we've got a bit of storage for your clothes. It would have been better, incidentally, something like this if it doesn't have a bottom on it, so at least the shirts and things can actually fall. Or the best solution, in my opinion, for something like this is something that comes out like that. Here we have got a fridge, and down here we've got more storage. There's your toilet. It's got one of these sinks that comes in and out. There it is, and that'll come down like that, and the water sort of falls down to a trough below. I quite like the way it's done this though. This is the storage space for your washing stuff. I think actually the size of this is, you know, for the size of the vehicle, is quite good. Also got this very sensible sliding door, although I've been told that it's really difficult to clean these things. And here, kitchen. The kitchen's the same as you get in every camper van like this. Two burners, there's a sink, and below it we've got some more drawers. Exactly the same as you'll get in the Pilote. And here we've got an extension to the cooking, preparation space should you need it. A table which can be extended. All sorts of colour schemes and the like are possible though in this camper van. I'd like to have shown you the price, but I can't. Let's come around to the back and see what there is here. Right, so all this will come up, this will move up if it's necessary, giving you lots of space down below. This comes from, I think, it could be from this vehicle effectively. This is the kit to make an extra bed. I think this is completely pointless. Use an inflatable mattress, and if you don't want to blow it up yourself, then you can get a pump. I got a pump from Action, and it cost me, I can't remember, €6 or something like that, and we used it yesterday. Right, so I'm going to try and get in here to show you the gas cupboard, but it seems to be a problem. Bit of pressure there. This one's also blocked. Let's try again. There's your gas cupboard, two gas cylinders that go in there, and in here we will find the a bit of spare. You could put an outdoor shower somehow attached that to that. It's difficult to attach. Well, anyway, outdoor shower goes there, but now you're going to attach it. I really feel that I should have done something with this. No insulation in there, which is not something you'd expect from a vehicle badged by Frankia. They've taken off the Frankia, it's just called Yucon now. Okay, so I'm not terribly impressed by this, but what I would suggest you have a look at, in this case, it's exactly the same company, so the same people are keeping your money, is to have a look at the Pilote versions of the camper vans, rather than a Yucon one. And because they're made in the same factory, they're made by the same people, using the same materials, so why bother paying more money? That's how I see it. Now, if I find out how much the thing costs, then I'll leave you that below. They haven't put the costs up here. I don't know why, but maybe because they haven't got round to doing it yet. Could be the reason. For the moment, from me, Caravan Salon. Just a little thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.